Okay, hello everyone. So, welcome back to our PGCET 2024 Essentials series video. I'm Lakshman, and this is our second video on cracking your PGCET with ease. Firstly, thank you for all your support and comments that you have poured in for our last video. I really appreciate it. Now, just before we begin the topic for the day, I would like to just go through the comments what we had given and see what we can answer through that. Firstly, we have Sachin who had said, thank you very much for guiding us. Yes, it's an absolute pleasure. So, if you had found this video really helpful for you people, I would recommend you to just share this video to all your friends who are in need of this. So that will also help them out. So thank you first of all. Next, we have Chandan who had asked, sir, MCA mock test. Regarding the MCA mock test, yes, Chandan, it will be available in the LearnCrew app by the end of today. So it should be there. So do not worry. So we had also been working on the mocks only. So it should be ready by today. That's it. And then another user had asked, do you upload the PGCET on your YouTube channel? Absolutely, yes. We will be uploading all the revision videos of the PGCET of covering your important topics. So very soon, stay tuned and please do get subscribed so that you can be aware of it. In case if somebody is looking for a similar kind of thing, please do share it to them. They'll also get benefited out of it. Next. All right, let's come into the main reason for today's video. Today, we are just going to do some ABC analysis of your subjects according to your syllabus, what you have for your examination. Now, this categorization will help you in having a better preparation in the short duration of time. Okay. Now, before we begin, I just want to give a quick disclaimer. By giving this categorization, it doesn't mean that you need not study the remaining topics. It is necessary to study all the topics so that you get a brief understanding of how the fundamentals and everything works. Okay. This analysis is just going to help you in making your preparation strategy better in the short duration. That's the main reason of this video. Okay. Hope this concept is clear and this ideology is clear. With this said, let us get into this particular thing. First of all, we are going to start with your MCA. And MCA, as I said, it is for 80 questions and for 100 marks. The main weightage is for your mathematics. In mathematics, there are certain concepts which you need to spend more time for your preparation and certain topics which you can avoid, can be okay to avoid it. Such concepts I am just grouped it and I have kept it for you people on the screen. The first all, algebra. Under this, you'll be having around 13 to 15 questions, matrix and determinants being the main topic. Then APGP, HP, logarithms, quadratic equations, sets and permutation combinations. If you are thorough with these concepts, it should give you a solid 15 to 20 marks easily out of the 40 marks what you have, right? So this is the main weightage what you have. Next all, you have the coordinate geometry. Under this, you have 4 to 5 questions which is regularly asked based on straight lines, circles, parabola, hyperbola, and also ellipse. So this is the next all. Next, trigonometry basics regarding your basics, angles, how to find out like sine theta plus 90 or something like this, you will be asked and you need to figure that out very quickly. Probability and statistics, 4 to 5 questions. Now here I would recommend go through your algebra part and go through your probability and statistics part. Since most of you people are from a background where your probability and statistics should be good enough. So I would recommend these two should give you around a solid 20 to 25 marks easily. Coordinate geometry and trigonometry. In case if you are not very familiar, you can just look into it and mark the answers. Since there is no negative markings, you can just mark it. You can do the preparation for the main weightage in these two subjects in case if you are weak. Okay, recommendation would be this. So this is the main idea in mathematics for MCA people. Computers, the main questions which are coming from computers are based on your generation, storage devices, unit of memory, operating systems, networks, binary conversions, input output devices, and some questions on SQL. Okay, very basic questions from your internet. You can just get it through, else you can just wait. We will just bringing in something around 300 to 400 questions which you can solve it. If you're good with that, good to go for your computers examination. Logical reasoning for MCA people, apart from computers and mathematics, the next important topics will be your logical reasoning. Under this, you have to study, must study blood relations, coding, decoding, missing numbers, counting of figures, order and ranking and directions. And in case if you want to study some more additional topics, which will give you some additional marks, clocks and calendars, alphabet series, odd man out, analogy. Everything is easy ones. In logical reasoning, it shouldn't be such much of an hassle. It should be easily crackable. Next off, you have English, grammar, vocabulary, comprehension, reading comprehension, where you have a passage and you need to answer it. Synonyms, antonyms, mostly it won't be very much detailed, but still, just look into it. Sentence correction, just fill in the blanks, something like that. Or you will be having words and phrases and parajumbles based on questions. This will be of a less weightage. Yes, you can focus on it. General knowledge questions will be mostly based on your current affairs. From the last 2-3 years, it has been more on the current affairs weightage, somewhere around 6-7 marks you get from here. And static GK, yes, they do focus anywhere, any static GK they can ask. Or questions related to sports, political questions are more important topics, which you can additionally prepare is awards, science and technology questions, social events, and global environment. This is all of for your MCA preparations. Okay. Next, we are coming to your MBA. In MBA, you have equal weightage for all the different sections. Okay. First off, you say logical reasoning, alphabet and number series, very important. More questions will be asked from this. Then blood relations, coding and decoding, syllogisms, analogy, some miscellaneous questions randomly they will ask. And then you will be having directions, clocks and calendars, counting of figures, seating arrangements, and missing numbers. The first 5 topics to 6 topics you have maximum weightage. The next topics will be having moderate weightage. Some additional marks if you want. Puzzles, order and ranking, odd man out. You can just figure that out. Okay. It is like easy ones, but now and then only they ask, not more frequently. Under quantitative, you have speed math, ratio and proportions, percentages, averages, simple interest and compound interest, mensuration, data interpretation, profit and loss. Now, these 8 topics are really very important. Okay. This will be helpful when you study speed math, ratio, proportions, percentages, averages. You will be able to solve most of your data interpretation question, where you get around 6 to 7 marks easily. Mensuration has a lot of weightage in each and every exam, so you can solve some questions based on that too. Number series, again, problem on ages, again 1 to 2 marks, problem on numbers, again 1 to 2 marks. Okay. And additionally, apart from this, what you can prepare less, if in case if you have a time shortage, is time and work, time, speed, distance, boards, trains, mixtures and allocations, probability, partnership. Now, why have I put it as a separate thing is, some people find it very difficult for preparing the entire quants. So I have just bifurcated 11 topics which you can focus, which can give you maximum marks. And the additional topics, in case if you are having some additional time, prepare for that. That will help you. Time and work is one of the small topics where you can spend some time. Okay. Next, computers. Similar to your MCA, you have the similar topics and the difficulty level won't be very high. For MBA, this is the first time you're having computer awareness as a additional topic in your syllabus. So be aware of the basic stuff. That should be good enough for you. English, focus more on your antonyms, synonyms, because more weightage is based on that. Idioms and phrases, again more weightage. Spotting errors will be there. Sentence correction. These are some continuous topics which are being repeated over and time again. Okay. Next, you'll be having fill in the blanks, one word substitution, grammar, vocabulary, spotting errors, these kind of things. Okay. So how to improve your English? Yes, it's based on only practice. If most of you people are from the urban cities or from the metropolitan cities, it shouldn't be much of a hassle, but still your antonyms and synonyms needs to be worked on, because it's not going to be so easy with antonyms and synonyms. But for the people who are from the rural background, yes, you need to spend some time with the old question papers and with the mocks. If you're familiar with the mocks and the old question papers, it might make a difference with you. It might make a difference. Okay, hope this is clear. In case if you're looking for mocks, just log in to LearnCrew and you might find the mocks over there, and you can attend all the mocks at least twice before the examination. It should be good enough for your preparation. General knowledge, again, the same thing. Current affairs, static GK, sports and political plays the important weightage over here. And other topics, additionally, you can prepare for awards, science and technology, social events, and global environment. So, hope this breakdown has helped you in prioritizing what topics that you need to prepare for your examination, and given you a brief idea of how you can crack this examination better. In case if you like the video for today, do like, share, and subscribe to the channel.